how to log into Shopify. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can log into your Shopify. So if you want to log into your Shopify, you have to follow this step. First of all, go and navigate to your Shopify app here on your device. If you haven't downloaded your Shopify app on the device, just go to your Play Store or Apple Store to just go for that to download your app here. Once you are here, you have to go for the get started. If you want to create your account, just go for the I'm starting, and also you can skip all here and you have to select your business where it is located at, and they are here. You can see the page and you have to go and choose the platform that you want to connect your Shopify account. So after connecting your Shopify account here, they are redirecting to your page here. You can see that. So here you can see that they are building your store, and here you can see on the screen they are almost done. So once you have continue or sign up your account with any of the platform that you like, and here you can see that you have been successfully logged into your Shopify. So on the top right, you can see your profile and you can add a store, or you can see your setting here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily log into your Shopify or create your account of your Shopify. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.